Please listen to the legal disclaimer at the end of this video. Hi, I'm Boiler Williams. I'm a consumer advocate from Colorado. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about statutory damages and actual damages. I'm a little bit under the weather, so you might hear it in my voice, and you can tell I haven't shaved for a couple days. Looking a little rough. I apologize for that. So actual damages are damages that you can prove that happened to you. For example, if your car got totaled and it was a $15,000 car, you probably had $15,000 in damages, although there's some lawyer out there that'll surely argue against that. And statutory damages are the damages that the laws say that you're entitled to. For example, one of the laws that we deal with a lot is the FDCPA. And the FDCPA, the statutory damages for a violation are $1,000. And if a company does 3 or 4 violations, it's still $1,000. You're kind of maxed out. So that's kind of the big difference. Is it's pretty common sense what actual is, and statutory is what the law says you're allowed. So one of the reasons that you kind of need to think about this is a lot of times you'll be suing somebody for the FDCPA and it's a $1,000 violation, and the lawyer will come back and say, well, you weren't hurt, it didn't damage you or cause you any grief, and they'll go down that road and ask you, could you explain to us why how you were damaged? And they're talking about actual damages and you're talking about statutory damages, and they'll try to confuse you a lot. And that's one thing that you want to keep an eye out for, is you're just statutory damages. So you need to talk about the damages that the law allows, not how you were actually damaged, in dollar amounts, how you were actually damaged. Of course, you're going to have to lay out, you guys called me here, I disputed the debt, you guys didn't validate it, and then you collected, tried another collection attempt, or whatever the story is. You might have to lay that out for them. But actual damages, it's all, in that case, it's all going to be statutory damages. So that's one of the things that I just wanted to talk about briefly while I was a little under the weather. If you have any questions, please email me. My email address is boiler@notlegaladvice.org, and my website is notlegaladvice.org. You can find me on Facebook, and I'm on Twitter also. Have a great day. This is the legal disclaimer. While the information on this site deals with legal issues, it does not constitute legal advice. The materials in this video and related websites are provided for informational purposes only and do not constitute legal advice. We do not advise on the application of law to an individual's specific circumstances. Although we go to great lengths to make sure our information is accurate and useful, we recommend you consult a lawyer if you want professional assurance that our information and your interpretation of it is appropriate to your particular situation. There are no lawyers in this video or on the notlegaladvice.org family of websites. The contact information for this video is notlegaladvice.org, that is the main blog, nlapublishing.org, that is the main book site. The email address is boiler@notlegaladvice.org. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to email me. I'd love to hear from you.